Okay, class, good morning. Before we start to our topic, lesson, let us pray muna. Miss Miss Gantong. Okay, Miss Secretary, please take your attendance. Okay, class, meron ba akong binigay na assignment nung nakaraang lesson natin?
Answer.
Okay, before we start to our topic today, we have continuation, instruction. In the table below, identify the type of waste stream that each example belongs to. Choose from the following categories. Okay, guys, all your answer is correct. Okay, class, all your answer is correct. Okay, our topic for today is all about small business and electronics, auto repair, waste management, and recycling principles. So, this is the objectives. At the end of 60 minutes discussion, at least 80% of students should be able to identify and categorize common waste stream produced by small business in the electronics and auto repair industry. Second, demonstrate and increase awareness of the environmental impact of the proper waste management practiced in the electronics auto repair service. So number 3, properly sort and segregate waste materials commonly found in electronics and auto repair shops.
Alat lang ni ulit. Oh.
Okay, class, let's start our discussion. First, we have common waste streams in electronic and auto repair industries. First, small business in electronics and auto repair generate various waste types, many of which are hazardous or recyclable. Proper identification and categorization of essential for effective management. Second, common waste streams in electronic repair. E-waste, the primary category, including discarded circuit boards, old monitors, batteries, and nickel cadmium wires, connectors, plastic casings, and metal components. Packaging materials, cardboard boxes, plastic wraps, and foam padding from new parts and equipment. Consumables, sorter wires, flux residues, cleaners, wipes, and gloves. General waste, office trash, waste proper, and non-productive waste.
Let's proceed to the common waste streams. Let's proceed to the common waste streams in auto. See, auto repair shop is very hazardous siya compared sa electronics hazards. We have 9 waste stream in auto. They use oils and fluids. Waste motor oils, transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolants, antifreeze, solvents, and fuel. This often contain heavy metals and harmful chemicals. Very hazards kasi siya ng mga water, mga pollution. Si batteries naman is waste lead acid batteries, a major hazard because waste containing lead and sulfuric acids. Si batteries is dapat pwede siyang i-trade or ibalik sa suppliers. Then sa tires naman is scrap tires which form a large volume of solid waste requiring specialized handlings. Si tires is pag hindi na siya ginagamit is pag nasa nasa labas is possible na harumaning lamok. Then, pero pwede siyang i-recycle yung taliman. Sa metal parts naman, discarded engine components, brake rotors, exhaust systems, and body parts typically made of steel, aluminum, and copper. Sa metal parts is yung mga metal na ginamit sa sasakyan na pwede mong ibabakal-bagal. Tapos yung mga nuts, tapos yung mga metal na yung mga filter waste, oil filters, air filters, and fuel filters which may contain oil, sludge, residual residues and metals. Si filters is ano siya, yung may oil bago siya dapat drain siya, bago siya tapos dapat nakasealed siya. Then si whites and sa absorbents, oil and chemical stain, wax, maps and absorbent materials, paints and thinners, discarded automotive paints, primers and thinners. Si whites na ginamit, dahil siya dapat sa mga regular na trash, dapat naka-separate. Then general waste, office trash, packaging materials, and waste pack. And yung general waste is yung kagabusan ng ginamit mo sa mga si mga dahil na nagamit. Dapat siya, yung tulad mo si arrange.
Okay, class, let's have a last activity. This activity is called teacher will divide class into 2 groups and provide each group with simulated waste items and circuit board, the use of oil filter, a battery, and metal scrap, plastic, and wrap, and newspaper, towel, and bottle. Then, so this. Okay, very good class. So, may intindihan po kung sa activity and sa lesson.
Yes.
Okay, class, let's have a short quiz and get 1 point paper. Let's quiz. Okay, class, are you done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I ready. Check.
Okay, pass your paper. Thank you for listening. Now we're now this